Hello everyone, welcome to Ronnie Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today it is the arithmetic progression 10th standard part number 2. In that we are going to learn that some formulas backside we also read. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means last term or number of terms, how much is there. A means first term, n means number of terms, d means common difference. It can be written in the form of the like that. An is equal to Sn means what? Sum of numbers minus the Sn minus 1 means before term. This is the successor term, this is the predecessor term. Another formula can be used for this purpose. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. 2 into a it is, means 2 multiplied by the first term plus n minus 1 into d. It can be written in the form of Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An means last term of that one. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. L means last term. And the Sn, the sum of the positive integers, starting sum n positive integers, that can be written n into n plus 1 by 2. Let's taking some questions from the exercise, that is the third exercise in textbook. And in that first question is, this is the first question, 2, 7, 12, and find the sum of that up to the 10 term. We know that one. How we can solve it? A is equal to 2 first term, d we are going to find out. D means a2 minus a1 means successor term minus predecessor term. So we can write in this form कि a2 means 7 minus 2. 2 is equal to what we got? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now d also we got, a we got. Now terms how much is there? N is equal to 10 terms are there. We have to find the sum. We have to find sum. So we are writing Sn question mark means S10. Formula writing Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This, so Sn is equal to what will become n? S10. It is become the S10. Why? Because of n is equal to 10 numbers are there, 10 terms are there. So 10 by 2 into 2 into a. A means how much? A 2 plus n value is given the 10 minus 1. D value what we got? We got the 5. So 5. Then S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 means it will become the 5. It become the 5. Then we can write it 2 to the 4 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 into what? 5. Into 5. We can write in this form. Next we can write in that S10 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 9 5 is how much? 45. So we can write it like this. S10 is equal to what we got? 5 into 45 plus 4 how much? 49. So 49 into 5, that is the S10. So 45 into 9 is equal to 245. Now the sum of this AP up to the 10 terms is 245. I hope you are understanding it. If you are understanding it, please like, share the video and subscribe the channel if you have visited the newly. Now we are going to the next question in this only. So what is the next question? Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to the 12th term. We are going to find the sum of this number. We know a is equal to what? Minus 37. We want to find the d. So d is equal to what? A2 minus a1. A2 how much given? Minus 33 minus this formula minus what? A1. A1 value is minus 37. So what we got? 33, sorry. Minus 33 minus into minus plus 37 plus 37 minus 33 is equal to 4. So d we got the 4. Now we are writing the n is equal to how much given? 12. We are going to find the Sn means S12 we have to find out. We are writing the formula. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula S12. Why written 12? Because of up to the 12th term it is 12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the value of a? A value is minus 37. Minus 37 plus n value what? 12 minus 1. D how much we got? 4. So we can write in this form. Next we can write in this the type also. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Next 2 into 37 is equal to minus 74. 37 to the 74 plus 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 into 4. We can write then S12 is equal to what? 6 into minus 74 plus 11 for the 44. 11 for the 44. So S12 is equal to what will become 6. 74 plus minus 74 plus 44 is equal to minus 30. Is equal to minus 30. So we multiplying it, S12 is equal to what will become 30 into 6 is equal to 180 and minus sign is there, so minus 80. The sum of this given AP is minus 180 up to there. Now we are taking the second main remaining questions. You can try for your homework. If you are getting any difficulty in that, please comment on that. It will be videos on that also. Now we are making the next question. Find the sum of given below APs. So in that what is A? A is equal to 7. D we have to get. So D we can write A2 minus A1. We can write A2 minus A1 we can write. What is A2? A2 10 to the 20 and plus 1. 10 this it is in a mixed fraction. We have to make change into the improper fraction. So mixed fraction changing into, suppose that A by B by C, it is like that mixed fraction. If we want to change into the improper fraction, so we are doing A into C plus B by C, like that in the form written, changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction. A means any number, B means any number, C number means any numerator, denominator and that whole number. Now we are 10 to the 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2 minus 7. We can take 7 by 1. 7 by 1, any number divided by 1, same number will come. So this number 21 minus 7 to the 14 by 2 1 ja 2. So we can get this is 7 by 2. 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 by 2. So this we got the D. Now we in that last term, this is given the last term AN or L, that is given the 84. In that it is given. Now we have to find the sum of the given. Now what is the sum of that? We are writing Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus an. Why I change the formula? Before that though we are writing this formula, we are writing this formula. Now I change this formula. Why? Because in that an value already given, an value given in that last term given in that, so that a plus an written. Because if we can write this also, then it will take little longer time. So now this one. Now we are keeping yes. How much terms are there? We don't know. So we are writing yes n is equal to n don't know by 2 into a. What is a? 7 plus an what? 84. So we can write yes n is equal to n by 2 into 7 plus 84 is equal to 91. 91. This is our equation number 1. Why? Because of n we don't know. So first we are going to find the n. N means we know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that what given? An how much given? 84 is equal to a what given? 7 plus number of terms don't know. N minus 1. D how much we got? We got the 7 by 2. 7 by 2. We can write it like this. This number we are taking 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. We can write it like this. So 84 minus 7 how much? 84 minus 7 is equal to 77. 77 is equal to this number n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Now we can write in that form also. 77, this number is in multiplication, 7 by 2. This side it will come, then it will become the division. It will become the division. But I am writing that multiplication. Why? Because of I will make it reciprocal. So 2 by 7 ulta happen. See, reciprocal happen is equal to what? N minus 1. This number cancelled by the 11. 11 into 2, 22. 22 is equal to n minus 1. Then n is equal to what we got? 22. And this number will go this side, then it will come the plus 1. So n is equal to what we got? 23. Now we keeping the n value into equation number 1. Keeping n value. So what is the n? Yes, 23. Here we are keeping now in this equation number 1. Yes, 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into 91. Now yes, 23 is equal to we got, if we are multiplying it, then we 23 into 91. 23 ones are 23. 23 nines are 217. 217. 217 and in that time 2 is the carry. So it become the 219. 219 it become. The 219. So this number we got 2193 divided by 2. Now if we are divide it by that, so 2 1 ja 2, 0, 2 9 ja 18, and the 2 6 ja 13, 12, 1 remaining, and that is the 2. That is the changing into the improper fraction changing into the that next fraction. So it is reverse of this number will become. Then this is the answer for this one. I hope you are understanding. Then please like the video. Next we are going to the question number 2. In this one it is given 34 plus 32 plus 30 and up to the last term is the 10. So we have to find the sum of this one. If we are keep on adding like this up to 10, then what will be the answer? So we know A is equal to 34 and D we are going to find the D is equal to A2 minus A1. So what is the D? D is equal to A2. A2 is the 32 minus A1 34 is equal to, we got the minus 2 and AN is equal to how much given? AN is equal to given 10, last term 10 given in that. So we can do it. We are finding the that first n finding. First we are finding the n in that. Okay, let's going to the another. So first an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First we are going to find the n, then we will find the sum. In that what we done? First we find the sum, then equation we got, then we find there that n. Now in that we are doing. So an how much given? An given in that 10 is equal to a we got 34 into plus n don't know, n minus 1 into d, what we got? Minus 2. So we can write in this form 10 is equal to 34. Okay, 34, this will go in that side, that it will become the minus. What will become? 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2 Now 34 minus 10 is equal to minus 24. 34 minus 10 is equal to minus 24 is equal to what? N minus 1 into minus 2. So this will go in that, this is in multiplication, this side it will go, then it will become the division. Minus 24 divided by minus 2 is equal to, then minus cancel, 2 1 ja 2, 2 12 ja 24 is equal to what? N minus 1 is equal to what? N minus 1, because of this will come in the side. So this will come in that, the n is equal to what? 12 plus 1 is equal to what? N is equal to, we got the 13. Now we are going to make the finding the Sn. So we know that Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into a plus an. Why an written? Because of last term is given. So S13 is equal to what? 13 by 2 into a, what is that? A 34 plus an what given? 10. Now we can write S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, how much? 44. Or 44 we are cancelling it by the 22. Now we are multiplying it. Yes, 13 is equal to what? 13 2 ja 26, 2 carry, 13 2 ja 26, 26 plus 2 28. So this the 286, the sum of this given AP is 286. Now we are proceeding to the next one. In that another 2 questions are there. If you, that is for your homework. If you are getting any difficulty in that, please comment on that. It will be videos on that also. Next we are going to the next main, and that is the third main. In an AP given, in that is things given, we have to find that whatever they are question asking, to find n and s. In this question, a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50, find n and s. Yes means sum of that numbers. Now we are first we are writing the n we are finding. So a we are writing an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can write it. So an how much given? 50 given is equal to a how much given? 5 given plus n don't know, n minus 1, d how much given? 3 given. So we can write it like this. So this number will come that 50 minus 5, because of this number will transposing to the LHS side is equal to what? N minus 1 into 3. So yeah, 50 minus 5 is equal to 45. 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Then this is into, this side will come, then it will become division. So 45 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So 45 divided by 3, then it will to become the 15. 15 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to what we got? 15 plus 1 because of this side will go, then it will become plus. So n is equal to, we got the 16, we got the n value. Now we are going to find the s. So s 15, yes n formula writing first. Yes n is equal to what? N by 2 into a plus an. Why written an? Because of an value given here, so that otherwise can be written the n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That also can be written. So that it will take a little longer time. So yes 13, yes 16, 16 are there, is equal to 16 by 2 into a. What is the value a? 5 plus a, and how much given? 50. Like that we can write. So yes 16 is equal to what? 16 divided by 2 is equal to, we got the 8. 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. So 55 into 8, yes 16 is equal to, we are multiplying 5 4 5, 8 5 is 44 carry, 40 plus 4, 44. So yes 16, the sum of that numbers in that given is the 440. Now taking the next question, in that it is given a12 is equal to 37, d is equal to 3, find a, and yes 12 we have to find. So first of all we can write a question mark is given, that question mark a12 we can write in the journal form. A12 is equal to, we can write a plus 11d, a plus 11d, and a plus 11d how much given it is? 37 given it is. A12 can written a plus 11d in journal form, and it is given the 37. Now a we don't know. A is equal to 11 into d. D what given? 3. D what given? 3. 11 into 3 is equal to 37. Then we can write a plus 11 into 3, 33 is equal to 37. Then a is equal to what? 37. This number will go that side, the minus 33. Then a is equal to what become? 37 minus 33 is equal to 4. We got the eighth 4. Now it is asking yes 12. So yes 12 means what? Yes n is equal to what? It is last term, 12 term only asking. N by 2 into a plus an. Why written an? Because of an 12 term only is there in that, and 12 term only asking it is asking 12 term only. So that the yes 12 is equal to 12 by 2 into a, what is given? We found the a is equal to 4 plus an how much given? An it is given the 37. Now we can write this is cancelled by the 6. The yes 12 is equal to what? 6 into 37 plus 4, 41. If you are multiplying, yes 12 is equal to 6 4s are 24 and 6 that 246 is the sum of that numbers. Now we are taking the next fourth question in the our book. What is that question? In question it is written that how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must to taken to give a sum of 36. It is the sum, total sum given. This is the AP given. So what is AP given? 9, 17, 25 and so on. How many term have to take? In that what is given? A is equal to 9. D we can find out. D what? A2 minus A1. So A2 what is the A1? A2 17 minus A1 9. 17 minus 9 is equal to what? 17 minus 9 is equal to the 8. So D we got the 8. D is equal to 8 we got. A we know. Now it is asking how many terms, means n question mark. N is the question mark. Sum given. Yes n given. Yes n is equal to how much given? 636 given it is. 636 given in that. If we are taking in that, now what is the formula for the sum? Yes n is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see an not written because of we don't know what is the last term in that, so that an not written in that, L not written. So yes n how much given? 636 is equal to n by 2 as it is by 2 into a. What is the value of a? We got 9 plus n don't know, n minus 1 as it is. D we know, D is equal to 8. We written this one. Now like this. Now we can write in that way. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 how much? 18 plus this one 8 into n, 8n minus 8 into 1, 8. Now so we can write in that 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8, 10. 10 plus 8n. This we can write. Now in this we can see that common can come. What common? 2 common. So that we can cancel easily. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 by 10 divided by this 2, common 2, then it remaining 5 plus 8 divided by this 2, so it will remaining 4n. Now this n can cancel, so we can write it 636 is equal to n into 5 plus 4n. Now we can multiply it, so 636 is equal to n into 5n, okay, plus 4n into n, 4n square. Now we can take this number, so we can write 4n square plus 5n in order wise, minus 636 is equal to 0. Now this you go to the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, how to solve the quadratic equation, that you can see the video backside, already one video is posted, solution of the quadratic equation by the splitting method, by the completing the square method, by the formula method. All three methods, it is already video is uploaded, already it is there in the playlist, you can find out it, and please refer it so that you can learn it. Now this quadratic, by solving this quadratic equation, if you don't know how to solve the quadratic equation, please follow the video, then only you can understand, otherwise you won't. So we can do it like this: 4n square plus 53n, splitting method I am doing, minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now I am taking the common in that, in the 2 is common, so it will become the n common. So what will become 4n plus 53. Now in that I am taking the minus 12 common, so what will become 4n plus 53 is equal to what? 0. Now what is the main common? Main common will be the 4n plus 53 is the main common. Then what is the remaining? N minus 12 is equal to 0. N and minus 12. Now we are finding the n value. So what is the n value in that? One time we can write 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. This side we can write n minus 12 is equal to 0. In that n is equal to minus 53 by 4. Because of this will go this side, so it will become minus 53. This is in multiplication, this side will come, then it will become the division. In that side, in that we can write n is equal to what? 12. So this is the not applicable. Why not applicable? Because of number of terms cannot be the negative or in the fraction. Number of terms never will be in the AP for up to you. In your subject, according to your subject, it will never up to the minus and fraction form. So it is the applicable. So how many terms have to take to make it the 636? 12 term. How much we have to make? 12 term we are going to make it, so that this sum of this AP 9, 17, 25 will become the 636. Next we are taking the another sum, that is the question number 5 in our book only. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. What given? First term means A. A is equal to 5 given. And the last term is means that is L or AN. AN or L. Both can write. Okay. Is equal to 45 it is given. And the sum is means SN. S is equal to how much given? 400. Find the number of terms. N we have to find out. And the common difference D we have to find out. Now we know the formula. What to find the n? First an formula. So what we can write? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Into d. So what is an is equal to how much given? An is equal to given 45. Is equal to a how much we know? 5 plus n minus 1. Because of n we don't know. D how much we know? D also we have to find out. D we have to find out. That also not given. So like that can be done. So 45, this number will come this side, then minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Into d that one. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to n minus 1 into d. That our equation number 1. Think equation number 1. Now Sn given. Now we are going to find the Sn. So what is the formula Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. What is why I taken the an? Because of an given in that. So Sn is equal to what? Sn. How much given Sn? Sn given 400. 400 is equal to n by 2 into a how much given? 5 plus an how much given? An given 45. So we can write 400 is equal to n by 2 into 45 into 5 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. We can cancel by the 25. So we know 400 is equal to 25 n, or n is equal to, we can get 400 divided by the 25 is equal to what? 16. So n is equal to, we got the 16. N we got the 16. Now we have to find the n value keeping into it in equation number 1. So we got the D. We got the D. N already we found. N is equal to how much we got? 16. We are finding the D. So we can keep this value into that equation number. So what will become? 40 is equal to 16 minus 1 into D. Into D. So 40 is equal to what? 16 minus 1 is equal to 15D. Or then D is equal to what? 40 divided by 15. We can cancel it by the 5 8 and 5 3 then we got D is equal to what we got? D is equal to 8 by 3 we got. That's all the answer for this. I hope you understand it. Please like the video and share it. Now we are going to the next question, question number 6 in our book. What is the question given? The first and last term of an APR 17. First term means A1. A1 is equal to 17 and last term means AN or L is equal to how much given? 350. Respectively, if the common difference is 9 means D is equal to 9. How many terms means n have to find out are there, and what is their sum means yes n we are going to find out. These are question marks are written. What have to do in that? We have to first finding the n finding. N we have to find. So n we can find by the shortcut also or by the formula. Let the by the formula only. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula taken. An how much given? 350. 350 is equal to A how much given? 17 plus n don't know. N minus 1. D how much given? 9. So we can taken 350 minus this number will come this side, then it will become minus 17 is equal to what? N minus 1 into 9. So 315 minus 17 is equal to 333 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. Now this number is in multiplication, this side it will go, then it will become the division. It will become the division. So 333 divided by the 9 is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. Now this number is divided by the 37 times. 37 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to what? 37 plus 1 is equal to n is equal to what we got? 38. What we got there? 38 we got. Now this n we got 38 here. We are finding the Sn means Sn formula. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into A plus An. Why written An? Because of An given. So that S38 is equal to 38 divided by the 2 into A knows 17, and it is given the 350. Then yes, 38 is equal to what we got? This can be cancelled by the 19 to the 38 into 17 plus 350 is equal to 300. 17 plus 350 is equal to 367. Now we are multiplying it. Yes, 38 is equal to 19 into 7. See here doing. Let's doing 367 into 19. Doing to so that can come to by easily 19 also can be done. 9 7s are 63, 6 carry. 9 6 are 54 plus 6. 54 plus 6 is equal to 60, 6 carry. 9 3s are 27 plus 6, 33. Cross kept. Any number multiplied by 1, same number will come. So 7 6 3 kept. 3 7 9 6. So what we got? 6 9 7 3. This is the sum of that numbers. Now let's taking the another question from our textbook, that is the question number 7. Question number 7 we are going. Then question is find the sum of first 22 terms. Total 22 terms are there of an AP in which D is equal to 7. Means we know total term N is equal to how much is there? 22. D is equal to how much given? 7. And 22nd term means that is the last term of an AP. Because of total term is 22 only. So 22nd it is called the AN. AN is equal to what? Or A22. It can called A22 also can be written. Or is equal to what? 149. We have to find the in which D is the find the sum. Yes, 22 we have to find out. Now we know first we have to find the A. We have to find the A. So 22 we can write A plus we can write A22 is equal to we can write A plus 21 D is equal to how much given? 149 given. It is given. A22 means A plus 21D. This is the general form. So A we don't know. So we know A plus 21 into D, how much given? 7 given. Is equal to what? 149. Then we know A plus 21 7 ja 147 is equal to what? 149. Then A is equal to 149 minus 147. Then A is equal to we got 2. What we got? A is equal to 2. Now we are going to find out the S22. Yes, 22. We know Sn is equal to what? An by 2 into A plus An. Why written An? Why? Because of last term 22 only is there. So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into A. What is A? We got 2 plus An, how much is given? 149. 149. Then S22 is equal to, this can be cancelled. 22 by 2 is equal to what? 11. Cancelled. Into what? 151. 149 plus 2, 151. Now we are multiplying it. S22 is equal to 11 1 ja 11, 11 5 ja 55, 5 carry, 11 in ja 1, 11 and 5 carry. So it will become the 16. So this is the sum of that AP. Next we are going to the next question, that is question number. Now question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. 51 terms of an AP whose, means there are the total 51 terms are there. N is equal to 51. Whose second and third term are. Second means A2. A2 is equal to what? And A3. A2 and A3. In that 14 and 18 is there. So find the sum of first 51 terms. It is given like this. So we have to find the first, what is A and what is the D. A and D we are finding. So first we can write in the general form this one. A2 we can write A plus D is equal to 14. It is equation number 1 our. And A3 we can write. That is the A plus 2D is equal to 18. It is equation number 2. Like that also can be done. Another one, A3 minus A2 is equal to D will come now. D is equal to, we can find A3 minus A2 means successor term minus predecessor term. So D is equal to what we got? D is equal to, we got 18 minus 14 is equal to 4 we got. D we got 4. D is equal to 4. Now we are going to find the A. We are keeping anywhere in the value of A. We can find the D. We can find that, suppose that in that only keeping. In that, so A plus D is 4 is equal to 14. In that we kept value here. So then A is equal to what? 14 minus 4. Then A is equal to what? 10. A is equal to 10 we got. Now we are going to find out the what? N51, and we are going to find the sum of 51 terms. Means Sn. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into A plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Okay, so S51 is equal to what? 51 by 2 into A what we got? 10 plus N what is there? 51 minus 1. D how much we got? D we got here 4. So S51 is equal to what? 51 by 2 into 10 20 plus 51 minus 1 50 into what? 4. Then we can write S51 is equal to what? 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 ja 200. Now we can write S51 is equal to what? 51 by 2 into what? 200 plus 20, 220. We can cancel it by the 110. Now we are multiplying it. S51 is equal to 51 into 110 means 0 we kept. This 0 we kept. 11 1 ja 11. 1 carry. 11 5 ja 55 plus 1 carry 16. 55 plus 1 56. 56. So this is the answer. This is the total sum of the given AP. We are going to the question number 9, and that question number 9 is what? In that question number 9, if the sum of first 7 terms, sum means S7 is equal to A of an AP is 49. And that of 17 term means S17 is equal to what? 289. Find the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms means Sn you are going to find out. Now we have to follow that one. We have to write the formula first. What we know? Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is our main formula. So yes 7 it is given. Yes 7 is equal to what? 7 by 2 into 2a. 2a also we don't know. 2a plus n how much given? That also don't know. Here is 7. So that is 7 minus 1 into d. D we don't know. Listen. Yes 7 how much given? 49. 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. 7 minus 1 6d. Now in that we can take the 2 common. So 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 common. So what remaining here? A plus 3d. A plus the 2a divided by 2 means a plus 6d divided by 2 is equal to 3d. We can cancel it. Now this is in multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division. 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. A plus 3d. A plus 3d. So this will become the 7. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to a plus 3d. A plus 3d means 4a. We can write it a fourth term also we can write. This is our equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now we are going in this term. So what is that? Yes 17 is equal to what? 17 divided by 2 into 2a. A we don't know. 2a plus n. 17 minus 1 into d. Don't know. Directly I kept in this formula. In this formula I kept this values. This one. So yes 17 how much given? 289 is equal to what? 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. 16d. Now we can solve it. This one 289 is equal to 17 by 2 in the 2 common taken. So what remaining here? A plus 8d. A plus 8d. Because of 2a divided by 2 means a only. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. This cancelled. And this is will come in the division. 289 divided by the 17 is equal to a plus 8d. Okay. So this we can cancel by the 17. So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. And this 8d we can write the a9. A9th term. Okay. This is equation number 2. Now we have to find the a also, d also. So now up and down writing. Equation number 1 and 2. What is the equation a1? We got equation a plus 3d is equal to 7. And second we got a plus 8d is equal to how much? 17. Now by the this is become linear equation in 2 variable. Linear equation in 2 variable. So there are the 3 methods are there to solve it. One is called the substitution method. One is called the elimination method. One is called the cross multiplication method. You in that how to solve by the which method, that already one video is uploaded. In that it is you can refer it. So directly by the subtracting equation number 2 in the 1. Subtracting equation number 2 from 1 equation 1. So we got that what? Minus 5d is equal to what? 7 minus 10. Minus cancel. Then d is equal to we got 10 by 5 is equal to 2. D is equal to we get the 2. Now it is asking find the sum of n numbers. D we got. Now why we can find the a also. We can find the a also in that. So what will be the a? Keeping the value d into equation number 1. Okay. Keeping d value into equation number 1. So a plus 3 into d 2 is equal to 7. D value kept into equation number 1. So what will become? A plus 6 is equal to 7. Then a is equal to 7 minus 6. Then a is equal to 1. What we got? A is equal to 1 we got. Now we are going to find the in that the Sn. A we find, D we find, N we, and then find the number of terms N only. So we are going to find the sum of the N terms in that. See now we can write here in that. So we Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn only. N by 2 only. 2 into a. What we got? A we got 1. A we got 1. 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D what we got? 2. D we got 2. Now we can write Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2 into 1 2 plus n into 2 2n minus 2 into 1 2 Now these two can be cancelled. So I can write it Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2n. So 2 also cancelled. What remaining here? N. So Sn is equal to what? N square. Now by this formula we can find out that the sum of odd numbers, sum of continuous odd numbers, that is the always defined by the n square. Means sum of all odd numbers. What odd number? Suppose that one example taking 1 plus 3 plus 5. How much will be the answer? How many term are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 term are there. So means 3 square is equal to what? 9. This will be the 9 only. Suppose that another taking 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So what will become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So 5 square is equal to 25. The sum of this is the 25 in that. So this is the formula for sum of all odd numbers from the continuous starting onwards. First all odd numbers starting onwards it is. Now we are going to proceed to next question, and that next question is this. What is the next question? Question is this. So that A1, A2 and up to the AN form an AP where AN is the defined as below. This is, and also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. Means 1 and 2. Two questions are there in that. So let's solving from first. AN it is given this one. We have to find so that this form the AP. So when the AP in the first exercise first only we learned. AP means if the D is the same. D is the same, then that form the AP. If the D is not the same in all terms, then it is not from the AP. Now let's n is equal to, we are keeping 1 first. So what will come? A1. N behalf of 1, n we kept 1. 3 plus 4 into 1. So what we got? A1 is equal to 3 plus 4. So A1 is equal to, we got the 7. First term we got the 7. Suppose that n is equal to 2. So what we got? A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. Then 3 plus 4 into 2 means what? 8. 3. Then A2 is equal to what we got? We got 11. Let n is equal to 3. Then what we got? A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. Then 3 plus 12. 3 4s are 12. Then A3 is equal to what we got? We got the 15. Let the AP forming or not. We are finding in that. So what we got first term? First term we got the 7. Second term what we got? 11. Third term what we got? 15. And so on it will come. Whether it is the form the AP or not. So we are finding that D in that. So what is the D? First one D. D purpose. 11 minus 7. So what we got? 4. In that another time D we are going to find out. Then what will become? 15 minus 11 is equal to what will come? 4. Means D everywhere both side it is the same. Means it form the AP. What we can write? It forms AP. Why? Because of D is the same. 4 same. Now it is asking also find the sum of first 15 terms. So we know what is the AP we got? 7, 11, 4, 15 and so on. So A is equal to what? 7. 8. Then n D is equal to what we got? 4. And it is finding the 15th term. So n is equal to how much? 15. We are going to find the Sn. So what is the formula for Sn purpose? Formula for finding the Sn purpose, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Into d we note. Sn how much? Yes, how much? 15 term. Yes, 15 is equal to what? 15 by 2 into 2 into a. A we know 7 first. Plus n how much? 15 minus 1 into d how much we got? At 4. We got the 4. Now we can write 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 7 ja 14 plus 15 minus 1 14 into 4. Then we can write 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into this one 14 plus 14 4 ja 56. Then 15 is equal to 15 by 2 then into 56 plus 14 is equal to 70. This is cancelled by the 35. If we multiplying it by the 15 is equal to 15 5 ja 75. 7 carry 15 3 ja 45 plus 7 52. So 522 is the sum of that one. In that another question asked, second main, this is the second question asked, second one question. First you have to prove that whether it is from the AP or not. If it is from the AP, we have to find the sum of the 15 term. So let the n is equal to, we kept the n is equal to, we kept the 1. So what we got? A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. Then A1 is equal to what we got? 9 minus 5. A1 is equal to 4. So first term we got 4. N is equal to, we keep the 2. Then what will become? A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. N, behalf of n we are keeping n. This n, behalf of this n we are keeping the numbers. Then A2 is equal to 9 minus 10. Then A2 is equal to minus 1. Like that. Suppose that n is equal to, we kept the 3. N is equal to 3 keeping. Then what will become? A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. N behalf of n we are keeping the 3. So A3 is equal to what? 9 minus 15. A3 is equal to minus 6. Now we are checking it whether it is forming the AP or not. So what is that? First term is 4, second term we got minus 1, then we got minus 6, and so on we are getting it. If we are continuing keeping the numbers. So first we are finding the D. D what? Minus 1 minus 4. So minus 5 we got. Another one D we are finding in this order. So this is D1 or D2, like this can be right. So minus 6, then minus 1. The minus 6 minus into minus plus 1. So minus 5. In that also means it formed the AP. It formed the AP. Here also minus 5 came. Here also minus 5 came. Means it formed the AP. It forms AP. Now we are finding the sum of first 15 term. We are writing formula. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. A value what we got? A is equal to, A1 is equal to 4 we got. Means this is the AP. We can A is equal to 4 plus n 15 term minus 1 into d what we got? Minus 5. Then S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 8 plus 15 minus 1 is equal to 14 into minus 5, like this. So S15 is equal to what we got? 15 by 2 into 8, then this one 14 5 70 minus 70, because of plus into minus 70. Then S15 is equal to what we got? 15 by 2 into 70 minus 8 is equal to minus 62. Now this we can cancel by the minus 31. If we are multiplying it, S15 is equal to 15 1 ja 15, 1 carry. Okay, 15 3 ja 45 plus 1 46. Now minus is there, minus we kept. So this is the sum of the given terms. Next we are going to the question number 11. If the sum of the n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is the S1. What is the sum of first two terms? Means S1 plus S2, sum of two terms, A1 plus A2. What is the second term? Find third term, 10th term and the nth term of that one. We are going to find out it now. Now first of all we are keeping, suppose that let the keeping n is equal to 1. That is the S1 it will come. Okay, solution of this number. So n is equal to 1 we are keeping, then it will become the 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 1 square, because of n square it is written. So we got 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is the A1. That is what? A1 also or S1 also, that is. Because of first term of it, that S1 only. That one. Now it is asking the second term. What is the sum of the two terms? So that is we are going to S2. We are going to find the S2. S2 means n is equal to, we are keeping the 2. N is equal to 2 we are keeping. Then what will become? That is the S2. Okay. Then A, because of A is equal to 3. In that. So S2 is equal to what? We got 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 4 into 2, 8. Minus 4 square what? 4 square, 2 square what? Sorry, 2 square 4. So we got the 4. What we got? 4. This is the N2 we got. Number 2, terms number 2, that or in that. Now it is asking that okay, what is that? So we know that backside one formula I written, AN is equal to SN minus 1. Formula I written. Let me show to you where I written starting. When I started the video, that time it is done. Here I written it is. See, you can see that here I written it is starting. This one I written. So that is the A1. Now we can find the A2 in that. What we got, A2 is equal to what? Sn means sum of the second term, means it will be 4 minus S1, that is what? That is the 3. So what? A2 is equal to what we got? 1. What we got? 1. And A is equal to what we got? 3. A is equal to what we got? 3. Now we can find the D. D is equal to what? A2 minus A1. What is the A2? A2 is equal to 1. Minus A1 is equal to what? 3. So what we got? Minus 2. What we got? Minus 2 we got in that. We got minus 2. Now we have to find that in that which term, what is the first term? Two terms. First two terms. So first two term what we got? First two term means A1 is equal to we got 3 and A2 is equal to we got the A2 is equal to A2. We are going to find the A2 now. A2 means this is the sum we got. We got the sum of that. So A2 is equal to what? A plus D. A plus D. So A2 is equal to what will come? A. What is A? 3 plus D what? Minus 2. So A2 is equal to what we got? 3 minus 2 is equal to A2 is equal to what we got? 1. What we got? 1. A2 we got 1. Now if suppose that this numbers only we are keeping, it is asking what is the second term? Second term this one. Find third term. Third term. So A3. A3 is equal to what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A, what is the A? In that A already 3 we got. 2 into D what we got? D already minus 2. D is minus 2 here. So what we got? A3 is equal to what? 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. So A3 is equal to what will come? 1. What will come? Minus 1. What will come? Minus 1. Now it is asked the 10th term. So A10. A10 is equal to what? A plus 9D. So A10 is equal to A, what we know? A is equal to 3. 9 into D. D is equal to minus 2. So A10 is equal to what will become? 3 plus into 9 to the 18 minus 18. A10 is equal to what we got? A10 is equal to what? 3 minus 18. Then A10 is equal to what we got? Minus 15 we got. A10 we got. Now it is asking and the nth term. Nth term means what? AN formula. So AN is equal to, we know AN is equal to what? A plus N minus 1 into D. Into D. So AN, that is called the nth term. So AN is equal to what? A, what we know? A is equal to 3. Plus nth term N minus 1 only. D how much we got? Minus 2. Minus 2. Then AN is equal to what we got? 3 plus minus 2 into N minus 2N. Minus into minus plus 2 1 ja 2. Like this we got. So AN is equal to what we got? 3. Then this plus minus 2N plus 2. So AN is equal to what we got? 3 plus 2 5. N minus 2N. 5 minus 2N. This we got the AP, or that is nth term in that. Now we are going to proceed the next question, and that is the question number 12. Question given, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by the 6. The first positive integers, that suppose that it is that integers 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and up to the 40, but which integer that are the divisible by the 6 in the positive written. So that I written the plus 1 plus 2 plus this one positive integer 40 and that is divisible by the 6. So which is the first number that is the divisible by the 6? That is the 6. Second what will come? 12. Then will come the 18 and so on up to the where? Up to the 40. Which number is that up to the 40 divisible by the 6? That is the 36. That is the 36. 37 not divisible, 38 not divisible, 30, 40, 39 not divisible, 40 also not divisible by the 6. We have to find the divisible by the 6 only in that. So now what is the A? A is equal to 6. What is the D in that? D is equal to 6. Why? Because of 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. We have to find the sum of that. N is equal to how much we got? This number, how much are these? How much are these? This number. Suppose that it is written like this up to the 6. So it is AN. AN is equal to 36 we got. Now we have to find that first N question mark and then it is written the SN question mark. Now first we are writing AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then AN is equal to AN how much given? AN given 36. 36 is equal to A 6 plus N don't know minus 1 into D. D is equal to 6. Now this number comes 36 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Then 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. 30 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Now this number will come this side. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. Then 30 divided by 6 is equal to what we can write? We can write it 5. 5 is equal to n minus 1. Then n is equal to what will come? 5 plus 1. n is equal to what will come? 6. So we got the n value we got. Now we got to have to find the Sn. So yes, 6 values are there in that. 6 only is there. So yes, n is equal to what formula you know? n by 2 into a plus an. A plus an. Yes, 6 is equal to what? 6 by 2 into a what is value? 6 plus an what? 36. This is cancelled by the 3. Yes, 6 is equal to what? 3 into 36 plus 6 is equal to 42. Or 42 into 6, 42 into 3 is equal to what? Yes, 6 is equal to 3 to the 6 and 12, 126. The sum of that numbers are 126. Now let's take the question number next. And what is the question? Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. So what are the multiples of that number? 8. Multiples means the table of that number. So 8, 16, then 24, then 32 and so on up to the what? 15 are there. Up to the 15. So A is equal to what we got? 8. D is equal to what will be the multiple of 8 means 8 only. Here divisible by 6 means 6 only in that. And n is equal to how much we know? 15. And we have to find the sum. Yes, n we are going to find out. Now what is our formula? Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means what? S number. How many terms are there? 15. 15 is equal to what? 15 by 2 into 2a. A value what we got? 8 plus n what? 15 minus 1. D how much we know? D we know the 8. Then S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 8 16 plus 15 minus 1 14 into 8. Then we can write S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 8 112. Now S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 112 plus 16 is equal to 128. This we can cancel by the what? 64. Now we are multiplying. S15 is equal to what? 15 into 64. 15 4 is 60. 6 carry. 15 6 is 90. 90 plus 6 is 96. So this will become the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Let's taking the question next one. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Find the sum of all odd numbers between 0 to 50. Which are the odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on up to the 49. Up to the 49 we are going to find out. This is asking in that. Odd numbers, only odd numbers which are not divisible by the 2. Now what we know in that? We know A is equal to 1. D is equal to what? A2 minus A1 means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. D we got the 2. Now what is the AN? AN we got the 49. So first we are finding the N we are finding. How much terms are there in that? How is it 26 term? How it will be there? That we are. Then we are finding the N question mark and yes N question mark. So first N is equal to AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN how much given? 49 is equal to A what? 1 plus N what? Don't know. N minus 1. D how much? 2. So 49 minus 1. This number will come that side. Minus will come. N minus 1 into 2. Then 48. This number will come this side. Then it will division is equal to N minus 1. This is cancelled by the 24 is equal to N minus 1. Then N is equal to what? 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So there are the how many terms are there in that? These are 25 terms are there. Now it is asking we have to find the sum of that numbers. sum Sn. So writing formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Why I written an? Because of last term we know an. So yes, how much? 25 is equal to what? 25 by 2 into a. What is a? 1 plus 49. Now we can write yes, 25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1, 50. 50. So 50 divided by the 25. So yes, 25 is equal to what? 25 into 25, 625. Now before that also, this is the answer. Before that also I said a one answer, that one formula, Sn is equal to n square in the odd numbers. In the odd number, for odd, starting odd purpose, this formula. So that I also, how much terms are there? 25. So 25 square, how much become? 125, 625, sorry. If you like the video, please share, subscribe the channel and forward it for the others. Thank you.